So kahit maliit na item, free na to. Ang ganda naman ng paper bag na to. Naghahanap ba kayo ng pangregalo ngayong Pasko? I highly recommend itong Manila Cookie Story. Trust me, masarap to at ang ganda pa ng packaging. If bibili kayo ngayon, may libreng premium gift bag in every purchase at any participating stores. Siguradong mapapawaw ang makaka-receive nito, ang ganda ng tin can designs at hindi ka pamahasan magbalot ng regalo mo. Kasi kasama na to. 1:1 kahit in pouch, small tin can, big tin can, may libre kang ganito. Share ko lang mga old collections ko ng Manila Cookie Story tin cans dito sa bahay. Ang ganda pa rin even after a year na to. Again, the free gift bag promo is available now in all their participating stores and take note, until supply last lang to ha. Kaya bili na kayo habang meron pa. Kwento ko lang din, naging tradition ko na and top of mind kong pangregalo ang mga locally made products tuwing Pasko or any celebrations like everyone else.
Oh,
I really
nice.
admire mga
Ang
gawang
ganda
Pinoy
nito.
and this is our way to support local. Check Manila Cookie Story now and happy holidays, locals!